Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This video is a day later than what I initially told you all. I said we would have a video on Wednesday and it's Thursday, but it was due to circumstances beyond my control. The post office lost my Knit Crate box, then they found my Knit Crate box, and then they didn't deliver my Knit Crate box, and so it finally showed up today. So here it is. This is October 2019's Knit Crate box, so let's take a peek at it together. I've got my trusty scissors here, and I'll open the box, hopefully without cutting or injuring myself. So let's see what it is. As always, I will let you guys look at it first. And here it is. And it is some pretty green yarn. This was the Energize Me option. Knit Crate now has, you can let them do the picking, or you can choose neutral colors, or you can choose Energize Me, which are some brighter color choices, or you can choose cool tones. So I stuck with, and you can change them from month to month. So you get a preview at the beginning of the month. So November 1st, I can go and look to see what the colors are going to be for that month, and then I can decide which box I would like to get. So let's take a peek at this. This is chain plied yarn. Oh, you can see it really good. It's showing up. And the color is very true to color too. It is a tonal green, and it's chain plied, so you can see that the yarn has like a chained look to it. The yarn itself is a Vitalana, or Vitalana. The colorway is called Ancient Ruin, and it is 100% fine Peruvian Highland wool. This is a sport weight, and there are 328 yards or 300 meters per skein of 100 grams. So, and they give you 2. So there is a total of 600 meters of yarn, or 300 or 656 total yards. So there they are. It's really pretty, and the color is showing up really true, thank goodness, because sometimes greens don't show up in the camera real well, or blues. It is extremely soft. I'm petting the yarn again. It's very soft. Sometimes Highland Peruvian wool can be a little, not scratchy, but not soft. But this is actually very, very soft. I mean, you could put it against your face with no problem. So that is the yarn, and it is really pretty. Now let's see what patterns they've offered for this month. Oh, there's a goodie in here too. There is you can use as a stitch marker or a progress keeper. Let's take a peek. This theme was Peru. And let me pull this out of the plastic so you can see it. It says Bling Your String Custom Stitch Marker. It is a ceramic bead hand-painted in Peru with a locking clasp, and it works for knit and crochet, created especially for Knit Crate. Now ignore the safety pin. That's all they just use that to fasten it on, but there it is. So you can see it. It's a ceramic bead, and it's wide enough up here that you could slide you could use this as a stitch marker to put your knitting needle through this, or it also unclasps so that you can mark your progress. And you get a free safety pin with it too. Ooh. So anyway, there's that. Now here, oh, I like this pattern. Okay, here is the book. So let me get this without the glare. There we go. I like this. This is a knitted one, I can tell looking at it. But let's see what they offer on the crochet patterns as well. You do get a book like this with each subscription box. It has a knit as well as a crochet pattern that will work with this yarn. And then they also have sock patterns in there as well. So let's take a look. Other color choices that were offered this time were a gray. That was the neutral one. the Energize Me, which is the purple, or was the green, and then this purple color here was the Cool Tones. I would have thought that was the reverse to that. I would have considered that the Energize Me. But anyway, the green is what they're calling the Energize Me. The purple I really liked, and it was a close toss-up because, you know, I like purple. I decided against the purple only because the yarn I received last month was purple. So I thought, let's get some green in my life. That's my husband. If you just saw his head walk, well, over there. If you just saw his head walk by, that's my hubby. So let's take a peek at the patterns that they have. They also offer a sock box, and these were the sock colors this month that you could choose from. Okay, so there is in the crochet version, it is a bundling blanket and bonnet set. So it's for a child. I don't think I'll be making that. Here's part of it. I mean, it's very pretty. I just don't have any newborns that I would be making something for right now. But there you can see it. I mean, it is really pretty. So, yeah, and the knitted pattern is called the Escalera, which is funny because we know some people at our church, that's their last name is Escalera. And there is what it looks like there, minus the glare. And this is the one on the front cover, which if I had to pick, this would definitely be the one I would make. And then their sock pattern this month is called Inca Trail Socks. And there is the pattern for them. And then they also have a crochet version of socks. And there's the crochet version of the socks. So you always get 3, sometimes 4 patterns in addition to your yarn. And let's see, next month's theme is going to be Beneath the Waves. It's funny, I would have figured it would have been autumn colors since it's going to be November, but here are the color palettes that it will be chosen from for next month. Now the box that I get is called the membership box. It is $24.99 per month. That includes, like I said, 3 to 4 patterns, 2 skeins of yarn, and sometimes extras like my little stitch marker. And that $24.99 also includes your shipping. So it's not $24.99 plus shipping. It includes the cost of shipping. They have other boxes as well that you can choose from. There is a Malabrigo box, which is all Malabrigo-based yarns, and they also have a sock box. So there's lots of things to choose from over there. If you are interested in trying out Knit Crate, you can get 20% off of your very first subscription box. You do need to use the coupon code KCreations20. So the link will be directly down below in the description box. You click that, it'll take you right over to Knit Crate, and you can get signed up if you want to give it a try. And you could be the owner of yarn like this. So, yeah, it's a lot of fun. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget on the Saturday podcast, we currently have a holiday along running, and we also have a month-long giveaway for the month of October. So make sure you go check those out and get entered, and I will see you all on Saturday.